When our customers are happy, we are happy. And when they write to tell us why they are so excited, we get excited to share it. They were so impressed with the customer service they received that they went online and left this review. This review is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that ensure every customer gets a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly appreciate our valued customers by paying attention to their needs and putting them first, each and every time. We think this feedback proves that. One of the keys to our success is that we place our focus on our customers. It is how we earn our great reviews and how we will earn yours. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.